Hey homeowners, Shaun here with Foundation Solutions Group. Your foundation, it has a crack. Your floors are uneven, or maybe your basement's taking on water. Who do you call? So let's talk about that. The right choice, a professional foundation repair contractor. Companies like ours specialize in fixing issues like settlement, bowing walls, or shifting foundation. We have the right tools, we have the right training, and the experience to fix it the right way. You can also call a structural engineer. These are licensed professionals who can inspect your home and tell you what's going on. They don't do the repairs themselves, but they do give an expert opinion and they recommend the best next steps. Now, more importantly, let's talk about who not to call. You don't call a pest control company that claims they do foundation work on the side. You don't call a landscaper just because someone told you you need a French drain. That might help water issues, but it won't fix the structural damage. And don't call a chuck in a truck, someone without the proper tools, experience, or licensing. And as much as you love your family, don't call your uncle who thinks he can fix anything with duct tape and a YouTube video. Foundation repair, in most cases, is not a DIY job. So when should you make that call? If you see cracks in your walls or your foundation, if your floors are uneven or they feel like they're sinking or sloping, if your basement or crawl space leaks when it rains, or if your walls and bowing or the house looks like it's shifting, it's time to get a professional involved. And there's some smart tips when hiring someone. Always, always, always get multiple quotes. Don't let anyone pressure you into paying a deposit on the spot. And most importantly, look up the BBB complaints. Some of our competitors have tons of settled claims on their BBB profile. That's a major red flag. And at Foundation Solutions Group, we're proud of the work that we do, and our reputation shows it. Lastly, ask about written warranties. A good repair should come with a written promise, and that it's going to last. So there you have it. Thanks for joining us today to learn who to call when you have foundation repair needs, but most importantly, who not to call for your foundation repair. So here at Solutions University, we look forward to seeing you again next time.